It's very far above my expectation.
Show the customers what we can do with our product.
I operate our small-scale pilot pasta press, and also we have a laboratory-scale pasta machine. This pasta press was purchased from Buehler in 1999. The difference between our lab-scale pasta machine and our large-scale or pilot pasta extruder is our lab-scale will do between 2 to 5 kilogram batches. And in our pilot machine, we're able to go up to 250 kilograms per hour. And on average, in a commercial line, they're about 5,000 kilograms per hour. Basically, it consists of our semolina hopper, which is a hopper just at the other end where we dump our semolina. And we can also use common wheat flour, but our main focus here is durum wheat. Everything is run with a computer. So simply on average, I'll run about 100 kilograms per hour of fresh pasta, type it in the computer, and what'll happen is the flour or semolina will be conveyed up and dropped into our weigh hopper, which is that white drum right there. And it's a continuous feeder. There are 3 parts to any pasta press. One is a mixer, where we'll add the water. Second part is the extrusion barrel, which is this long barrel here. Third part of the press is the head of the press, where we'll put the die in. The difference between pastas is the shape of the final product or the shape of the die. And here we can make long goods like spaghetti, lasagna, and we can make short goods like elbows or penny. Right now we have 8 dies, and we can get any die we want made. They'll custom make a die for us, trees, trucks, you name it. Basically there are 2 types of dies, Teflon die, and those are the dies with the white inserts, and that's to make the pasta smooth. We also extrude right out of the bronze if you want a rougher, stickier surface to your pasta. They came out with Teflon dies, I believe, in the 1950s, and since then the Teflon dies pretty much been used in the majority of pasta extruded today. If we're extruding out of a bronze die, it's considered more of a traditional type of pasta. Mixing the dough for pasta, we're adding on average about 25% water, and that depends on the moisture of the semolina flour, components of the semolina flour, protein content, and so on. And when the pasta comes out of the die, it's about 30% moisture. That's pretty much a standard in the industry. So we can package the pasta as is for fresh pasta, or we'll put into our drying cabinet. The highest temperature we can use here is about 85 degrees Celsius for drying. And for 1.8 millimeter diameter spaghetti, it takes about 5.5 hours to dry. When we put the pasta in, it's about 30% moisture, and we'll dry it down to about 12% moisture. This dryer is just one section of a commercial line. If we had a commercial line, it'd be at least 10 sections of these back to back. We're able to monitor the weight loss during drying. So right now we measure the weight of the pasta every 15 minutes, and it sends a signal to the computer, help us achieve that 12% moisture. So we do a lot of pulse crops here, adding a certain percentage of pulse flours or granular product into our semolina or common wheat flour. We've also done barley, oats in certain levels in the mix. All sorts of flavorings we've done for a company in the United States. Our work here is mainly focused in the international markets, Europe, North Africa, South America, Asia. But we also do work here with our domestic processors. If they need any technical or marketing assistance, we're happy to do that. We're just here to show our customers how our Canadian grains will work on a commercial basis, only small scale.